moving up is Get Gorgeous. Down on the inside, Apo Moon. In between runners, pair. Black Fury. Running by Daral is Mr. Enrico. Storm Apo alongside by Daral is Andres Easter, Carmen Gia. And Spiritual Star is running at the tail of the field, passing the last 900. Apo Moon by about 2 lengths, pair by Dra alongside is Get Gorgeous, and rounding the far turn, Apo Moon by half a length, Get Gorgeous, pair in between runners, Black Fury racing import, and by Dra is Mr. Enrico. As they race the last 500, Get Gorgeous from the outside, pair is running by Dra, and as they race the last 450, Get Gorgeous, pair is running by Dral, and on the outside is Mr. Enrico. It's now the favorite, pair by about 2 lengths, Mr. Enrico in second. Last 50 meters, pair, Mr. Enrico on the outside, and finally, Mr. Enrico, the birthday boy, ay Tansok on top. Second, pair. Third, Storm Apo, Get Gorgeous, and Black Fury.